A brand new KitKat Ruby ingredient review. We'll examine the top 3 main ingredients. 1. Sugar. 2. Cocoa butter. And 3. Milk powder. Remember, all the ingredients labeled on food products are listed in descending order, by weight and the proportion of that ingredient. The ingredient at the very top of the list is what the food product mainly consists of. The KitKat Ruby 4-finger has 13 grams of fat, 2.7 grams of protein, 23.6 grams of carbohydrates, 0.6 grams of dietary fiber, and 18.5 grams of sugar. The total calories this bar will give you is 222.2, 117 in fat, 10.8 in protein and 94.4 in carbohydrates. Please note, this bar has potential allergens. It contains milk and wheat. This bar has a naturally pink surface and is produced without any additives or artificial flavoring. The fruity berry flavor comes from the ruby cocoa beans that can be found in many different regions around the world. Ingredient number 1. Sugar. Sugar in this bar is traded in compliance with fair trade standards. This means that it's ethically developed. Sugar should be eaten in moderation as it has been shown to be very addictive, causing sugar addiction and is the number 1 source of obesity. Ingredient number 2. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter in this bar has been mixed with the very healthy ruby cocoa bean. These beans have been shown to possess abundant amounts of antioxidants and it tastes like nothing you've ever tasted before. And ingredient number 3. Milk powder. Milk powders have been heat treated and condensed from its original form, providing little to no nutritional benefit. Powdered milk is also dangerous because it contains oxidized cholesterol. Although the blush pink color comes from the bean itself, the milk powder adds a slight white tint to the bar, making it slightly less healthy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe, like to tell me you liked it and comment if you feel like it. See you later.